When in Python does x equals y call y dot underscore eq underscore x. The Python docs clearly state that x equals y calls x dot underscore eq underscore y. However, it seems that under many circumstances, the opposite is true. Where is it documented when or why this happens, and how can I work out for sure whether my objects underscore cmp underscore or underscore eq underscore methods are going to get called? Edit. Just to clarify, I know that underscore eq underscore is called in preferectly to underscore cmp underscore, but I'm not clear why y dot underscore eq underscore x is called in preference to x dot underscore eq underscore y, when the latter is what the docs state will happen. Edit. From Mark Dickinson's answer and comment, it would appear that rich comparison overrides underscore cmp underscore. Underscore eq underscore is its own underscore rop underscore to its underscore op underscore, and similar for underscore lt underscore g underscore, etc. If the left object is a built-in or new style class, and the right is a subclass of it, the right object's underscore rop underscore is tried before the left object's underscore op underscore. This explains the behavior in the test strcmp examples. Test strcmp is a subclass of str but doesn't implement its own underscore eq underscore, so the underscore eq underscore of str takes precedence in both cases. ea tsc equals b calls b dot underscore eq underscore tsc as an underscore rop underscore because of rule 1. In the test strEQ examples, c dot underscore eq underscore is called in both instances because test strEQ is a subclass of str and so it is called in preference. In the test EQ examples, test EQ implements underscore EQ underscore and int doesn't, so underscore EQ underscore gets called both times, rule 1. But I still don't understand the very first example with test cmp. tc is not a subclass on int, so effect 1 dot underscore cmp underscore tc should be called, but isn't.
You're missing a key exception to the usual behavior. When the right-hand operand is an instance of a subclass of the class of the left-hand operand, the special method for the right-hand operand is called first. See the documentation at this URL, and in particular, the following 2 paragraphs. For objects x and y, first, x dot underscore op underscore y is tried. If this is not implemented or returns not implemented, y dot underscore rop underscore x is tried. If this is also not implemented or returns not implemented, a type error exception is raised. But see the following exception. Exception to the previous item. If the left operand is an instance of a built-in type or a new style class, and the right operand is an instance of a proper subclass of that type or class and overrides the basis underscore rop underscore method, the right operand's underscore rop underscore method is tried before the left operand's underscore op underscore method.
Actually, in the docs, it states Underscore CMP underscore is C added by comparison operations if rich comparison, see above, is not defined. Underscore EQ underscore is a rich comparison method and, in the case of test CMP, is not defined, hence the calling of underscore CMP underscore.
As I know, underscore EQ underscore is a so-called rich comparison method, and is called for comparison operators in preference to underscore CMP underscore, below. Underscore CMP underscore is called if rich comparison is not defined. So in A equals B. If underscore EQ underscore is defined in A, it will be called. Else underscore CMP underscore will be called. Underscore EQ underscore defined in STR, so your underscore CMP underscore function was not called. The same rule is for underscore NI underscore GT underscore G underscore LT underscore and underscore LA underscore rich comparison methods.
Is this not documented in the language reference? Just from a quick look there, it looks like underscore CMP underscore is ignored when underscore EQ underscore LT underscore etc. are defined. I'm understanding that to include the case where underscore EQ underscore is defined on a parent class. SDR underscore EQ underscore is already defined, so underscore CMP underscore on its subclasses will be ignored. Object dot underscore EQ underscore etc. are not defined, so underscore CMP underscore on its subclasses will be honored. In response to the clarified question, I know that underscore EQ underscore is called in preferently to underscore CMP underscore, but I'm not clear why dot underscore EQ underscore X is called in preference to X dot underscore EQ underscore Y, when the latter is what the doc state will happen. Doc say X dot underscore EQ underscore Y will be called first, but it has the option to return not implemented, in which case Y dot underscore EQ underscore X is called. I'm not sure why you're confident something different is going on here. Which case are you specifically puzzled about? I'm understanding you just to be puzzled about the B equals TSC and TSC equals B cases, correct? In either case, SDR underscore EQ underscore one thing, other thing is being called. Since you don't override the underscore EQ underscore method in test SDR CMP, eventually you're just relying on the base string method and it's saying the objects aren't equal. Without knowing the implementation details of SDR underscore EQ underscore, I don't know whether B dot underscore EQ underscore TSC will return not implemented and give TSC a chance to handle the equality test. But even if it did, the way you have test STR CMP defined, you're still going to get a false result. So it's not clear what you're seeing here that's unexpected. Perhaps what's happening is that Python is preferring underscore EQ underscore to underscore CMP underscore if it's defined on either of the objects being compared, whereas you were expecting underscore CMP underscore on the leftmost object to have priority over underscore EQ underscore on the right-hand object. Is that it?
If you want to see more, please contact us.